everyone, Bree here with Rick's Review Hub. Want crispy fries or a juicy chicken in minutes anywhere you go? Today, we're diving into the Ninja Crispi 4-in-1 portable glass air fryer, a compact powerhouse that's perfect for small kitchens or on-the-go cooking. This thing is a total game changer. Stick around to see why it's a must-have, and check the link in the description for the best deal. Let's break down the features. The Ninja Crispi has a 1,500-watt power pod and comes with a 6-cup container for single meals and a 4-quart container for up to a 4-pound chicken with veggies. It offers 4 functions: air fry, max crisp, bake, and re-crisp, reaching up to 450 degrees. The borosilicate glass containers are thermal shock resistant, going from freezer to fryer without cracking, and they're microwave, freezer, and dishwasher safe. Leak-proof lids make it easy to store or travel, and the nesting design saves cabinet space. It includes a container adapter, crisper plates, and heat-safe feet for safe use on any countertop. Now, the pros. Users love how fast it cooks. Think personal meals in 7 minutes. The glass containers are non-toxic, free of PFAS, and super easy to clean in the dishwasher. Reviewers praise the crispy results, like perfect fries and wings, and the re-crisp function makes leftovers taste fresh. One user called it a dorm room dream for its portability and compact size, ideal for small spaces. The snap lock lids are great for meal prep or taking lunch to work, and it's versatile for baking or reheating. There are some cons. Priced around $150, it's not the cheapest, and the 4-quart capacity might not suit big families. Some users say temperature control is limited, running too hot for gentle warming, and you can't manually adjust it precisely. A few noted foods can stick in the container's foot gaps, making hand cleaning tricky. It's also about 15 pounds, so not super light for constant travel. I recommend the Ninja Crispi for solo cooks, students, or anyone with a small kitchen who wants quick, crispy meals without the bulk of a traditional air fryer. It's great for dorms, offices, or travel, but larger households might need more capacity. Check our full review on the channel for more tips. Ready to crisp on the go? Grab the Ninja Crispi 4-in-1 air fryer using the link in the description for the best pricing through Rick's Review Hub. We've got special promotional deals you won't want to miss. If this review helped you out, please like, share, and subscribe for more honest gear reviews. Thanks for watching, and here's to crispy, delicious eats.